Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. In today's video, we're gonna get back to sandblasting the frame. This is day 3. I did a little bit off camera to get us a little farther ahead than what it was going. We got the Sandblaster up and running a little bit better than what it was, and we got a lot more sand because we kind of ran out. So we're gonna hit it hard today and hopefully get this thing all done and start priming this thing. All right, so as you can see in those clips right before, we have gotten a lot done off camera. It was just gonna get mundane watching over and over again, us doing the same thing. What we have left to do though is flip it over. We have a couple more things just to get on the top rails and a little bit that we can't get from where we're at. And then we'll be ready to start spray painting and getting some primer on this and maybe get some paint on it. So let's stick around. All right, so we had a little bit of an issue. Our tube popped, like straight up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen it up. We're gonna cut it just above it, and then we're just gonna keep on trucking. We're gonna clamp it down and we'll just have a shorter tube today. All right, guys, well, unfortunately, we did run out of time. As you can see, Sandblast does this to your face if you don't wear a mask. We were wearing just a face shield, but they do recommend the P100 mask. But we ran out of time, so we didn't get to finish all that we wanted to do. We still have about 20 minutes left of sandblasting that I'm gonna knock out on my own time. It's probably tomorrow morning. Then I'm gonna rattle can it with primer and then just rattle can it with paint when it dries. So make sure that you guys are subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you comment, tell us how we're doing. If you want sneak peeks to what we're doing and behind the scenes shots, follow us on Instagram at Restoration Rescue and even on TikTok. Have a great one, guys. Be safe.